Rinse and repeat with these beautiful fall days. It's been another nice one across northern Michigan with our fair share of some sunshine. But as we're going closer to midnight, getting into your Halloween for our Friday, winds are going to start to turn a little bit more northwesterly, moving over the relatively warmer waters of our lovely Great Lakes. And that will open up the door for a few more lake effect showers as we are getting into the day tomorrow. Now, coverage of the rain does look to hold off, or at least look better, as we're getting into the second half of tomorrow. So there it is out the door for Friday, 6 o'clock, still trending mostly dry. You still could have a few spotty chances near the immediate lake shore, but notice as we go closer to the lunch hour into the afternoon, we do start to fill in the radar just a little bit more. Unfortunately, not the best timing for trick-or-treating as we're going into Friday evening, but there it is, prime time right at around 6 o'clock. Notice the coverage of the rain not looking too widespread. But if you're out and about, still could have a few of these isolated showers. Even if you're not seeing the rain actively fall as we get into a Friday evening, temperatures are still going to be on the cooler side, tracking more 40s, at least for Friday evening, and the winds coming in from the northwest going to be staying on the breezy side. Even could have a few wet flakes, especially into some of the higher terrain. There it is starting off the weekend as we're going right throughout your Saturday morning. Also, don't forget we do fall back 1 hour this weekend. Other things you can do around the house to get ready for the winter months, checking in with your smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, your furnace, your chimney, all good things to check in on before we get into the colder months. Let's show you where we're at right now outside. Everett holding on to some low 50s. Current temperature right now at 53. Pickford to the north into the upper peninsula, already dipping into the upper 40s. Your current temperature sitting at 49. And there's where you'll go past midnight tonight. Not as cold as where we woke up to from earlier this morning, but still farther inland could include a few more 30s as we get into your Halloween. There it is for your Friday. As we get into the holiday itself, eastern upper tip of the mid, still going to be an overall cooler day. Mid to upper 40s at best, but with that northerly breeze, it's still going to just be making it feel a lot colder out there. So even as we're going throughout the afternoon hours, feeling more like the 40s as we go throughout most of the day. Western lower your temperatures, not much warmer. Could get a few numbers closer to 50 near the immediate lake shore, but again, with that northwest wind just going to be feeling more like the 40s. Sunrise side, temperatures here very similar with the mid to upper 40s. A few passing showers, especially looking better by the afternoon and even getting into the evening. If we do get a few of our air temperatures in the 50s, we'll have that into some of our central counties as we go right there into your Halloween for your Friday. Still just going to be feeling on the cooler side for the holiday. There you go into the next 7 days. Spotty chances at best for a few showers. Another chance for some rain atom coming in next Monday.